back to my channel, and as you can see by the title today, we're gonna be putting this hair, I'm gonna be fixing it up because it's been a few days and I have not been taking care of it. So today what we're going to be doing is how to get wand curls without a wand curler. I'm gonna be using my curling iron. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by brushing my hair out. Alright, so now that I brushed the hair out, if you see me looking down, that's because I'm looking at my mirror. But now that I brushed the hair out, I'm going to go ahead and take my curling iron. That's what we're going to use. Take my curling iron and we're going to start with these long curls, okay? So before I do that, I'm going to take my heat protectant that I always use and I'm going to just spray it. The handle broke, so I got to squeeze it like this. Ooh! Oh my God. So I'm going to spray it all over the chair. Like I said in my other video, I'm heavy-handed with products. If you see me smell, don't get it. So now I'm gonna just get that all through the hair. And this is so easy to do. Like, it's really super easy. And I'm sure you already know where I'm going with this. So now that you have the curling iron, you're gonna get your bobby pins. And you're just gonna start curling. So you're gonna take your curling iron. I'm so mad I did not think of this before. I was watching a YouTube video and someone else was doing it, and I was like, oh my God, they're so smart. And I did it on me the other day, and them curls was popping. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. I'm looking in the mirror, so that's why I'm gonna be looking over here. So I'm gonna take this, and then I'm gonna start back here. Like you would do a curling one, and that's it. And then I hold it, and hold it, and hold it. So I just hold it, and then wait till it gets hot. Okay, so once the hair is done, I'm gonna go ahead and then just let it fall in my hand. It will fall in my hand. Pull it off if you need to. But this is just acting stupid. Ooh. I'm struggling over here. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna let it fall in my hand. I'm not gonna let it drop yet. I'm gonna get my bobby pin. Hold it where it's at, and then just pin it down, and there you go. And then literally just repeat that process throughout the whole head. So I'm gonna continue. And I would have did this on my mannequin, but I just installed this hair like 2 or 3 days ago because I was making a different video. So I'm not about to take it off just to do it on my mannequin, just to reinstall it. So if y'all wanted to see it on the mannequin, gotta wait till next time. Not today. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did before. And I guess you could take like smaller parts if you want the curls to be smaller, or however you like it. But I'm gonna take the parts that I think will be cute, because I don't want to be sitting here all day doing it, you know? So I'm looking in my mirror, that's what I'm looking over here. And just do the same thing everywhere. Like, I feel so slow for not thinking about this before. And I never bought a curling wand. It completely slipped my mind until I seen the video. Someone else did it, and I was like, oh snap, I want to do that. It's so cute. So here I am doing it. So yeah, just gonna sit here. Hold on, let it go, let it go. Ooh, y'all see that curl though? Y'all see that curl, right? Far on the thing, but I like to touch the hair to see how hot it is, so they don't get too hot, don't burn, and then I know when to like let it go. Okay, So that's good enough. So we're gonna let that go. I don't know why I always struggle getting the hair off. There we go. Ooh, y'all see that? Y'all see that, huh? Alright, let me not play these too much. Ooh, that's pretty. See, I always wear my hair straight because I'm not used to like curling it all the time, doing waves and stuff like that. So I'm hype. So that's 2 down, period. It's 2. That's 2 of them. It's gonna be looking cute. So I'm gonna take this last section on the side and I'm gonna do it. I'm back and my hair is pinned up and I'm looking bald headed. We're gonna go ahead and take out these pins and take out these curls and see what it got in store for us. So I don't know where to start. I'm hype, I'm happy. This is gonna come out cute. Look at that, period. So I'm gonna take these out. Take them out. Look at the bounce. Look at them bounce. Alright, so this is my first time really doing a full head of this. Oh, this is gonna be cute. I should do this for my birthday. It's gonna be cute. I'm gonna start at the bottom. Okay. Really pretty. I've never done this before. This is like really cute. I'm getting tangled somewhere. Oh, did I take that bobby pin out? No, I didn't. That's why. Oh, I just messed it up. It's alright though, because we still popping, right? Period. I'm probably gonna redo that. Because all the other curls is all pretty, and then I got this one little piece. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, y'all see that now? I messed it up. Actually, it's not that bad. This is really cute. This is the outcome of just finger combing. I'm scared to put the brush to it because I don't want to mess it up. We gonna put the brush to it. No. This is so cute. I feel like this side is messed up. I gotta do this side again. Yeah, this whole side is like messed up now. Oh my goodness. That's bad. Yeah, I'm gonna do this side over. Cause look at this now. It just looks like a puff of nothing compared to this side. This side is pretty. So oh my girl, don't try that. Oh, this is a cute little color. Where's my brush? Maybe if I cut some layers in this hair, it'll come out more curly, but these curls are so cute. I should do this for my birthday. And I don't really feel like doing this again. This is really cute. Like this is like really cute. Like really cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm hyped. this hair, I'm gonna be adding some more layers so that it could be more curls and stuff, more defined. This part I'm gonna leave because I think this part is kind of cute. I just wait for this to cool down. You got your curl, you got your curl. So this is the outcome. See, these are the curls on. These are the curls. And I think it's cute. I need to curl my hair more often because this is cute. This is real cute. It's different for me because if you know me, I always just straighten my hair and call it a day. So let me see if this is going down. It's not okay. It's still kind of hot. Still kind of warm. I needed to hurry up. No, I don't really care. Because I just want to see it. They're cute. I just want to see it. Just want to fix it. You know, together. This is it. So, I keep playing with it. One side is more defined than the other, like this side. And that's because I did put a little bit of layers like in my frontal, just like a little bit, because I'm scared to kind of cut the hair. So that's why it's a little bit more defined on this side. But it's so cute. And that's what the curls look like. So yeah, get into the look. I keep playing with it. That's why it's getting so frizzy. I need to stop playing with it. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all did, because I love it. The curls is kind of dropping. I'm gonna add some layers to it next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.